What up, what up, what up? Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm probably just gonna record this real quick. I was on OfferUp, Craigslist and stuff looking for I need the driver's side. Oh, my hat's in there. I need the passenger side frame rail. So I saw it online, which is not bad, but I was like, if someone has it locally and they have it for sale, maybe around the area, obviously, they have it locally, then I'll just go buy it instead of ordering and waiting like a week. So I was on OfferUp and I kept seeing bumpers for sale. Not that I kept seeing, but I saw a couple bumpers for like 300, 400. And same thing for the front one. I saw 250, 300, 350. So I do have the slimmer bumper. The OEM one has these brackets right here that I kind of threw out before I knew they were so expensive. So I was like, hey, I'm gonna post them up for sale. If someone buys them, cool. If someone doesn't buy them, cool. Because I was literally gonna throw them to the trash without knowing they were worth so much or people were looking for them. So I posted them last night, and then last night someone sent me like a Zelle, like, hey bro, I'll go pick them up tomorrow morning. So today the guy's on the way right now. He's probably like 15 minutes away. He's gonna take the front bumper, which is already off the car pretty much. It's just being held on by so he's gonna take the front one and the back one. I'm gonna try and remove the back one real quick to speed up the process, so when he gets here he just kind of like grabs them and go. I don't want him he said he could do it, but I mean, if I could speed up the process by like a few minutes, that'll be cool. I don't want him here for too long, So I'm gonna just go ahead and do that, remove that, and that's it. Rear bumper is sold. I do really like the no bumper look. What do you guys think? It just makes, I don't know, so much better without it, I think. I do have the other rear bumper, like the slim one. But I probably will run the no bumper look for a good minute. That was my whole debate. When I bought the bumpers, I was like, should I buy the bumpers and just leave them for later on? But I'm gonna for sure put the front one, because I do like the front bumper in the front. I see people put that lip thing on it, and then they put the little, some of them delete that or actually put it on and they don't run a bumper. But I do like the front bumper in the front. But yeah, so far I think she's coming along pretty well. Just messy as hell in there. I need to clean it out again, but man, this ass, it's beautiful. Today I'm in the NSX, just left the gym. What we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna go pick up parts for my Supra that's getting built by RS Performance over there at Ryan. I needed 3 parts, which is a radiator, aluminum radiator, which is obviously better, some silicone hoses, and a fan shroud. My Supra does have the fan shroud, but it's a little ugly since the motor's gonna be fresh and looking good and everything. I don't want to have the old fan shroud looking old and crusty. It just makes the engine bay look a little messy, dirty. So I already have the fan shroud at home, so I'm just gonna go to editor over there. I already have the fan shroud at home, so I'm just gonna get the radiator and the hoses today. It's a 30-minute drive. It's only City of Industry. The guy's hooking it up. Shout out to Mike P Status on IG. Got me the hookup for these parts, so go do that right now, and then hopefully Ryan gets on it. It should be getting started this week, he said, so I hope it gets done, because I've been waiting. I mean, it's a long process when you try and build a car. Everything's getting pretty much changed out, like whole motor's getting built, turbo, harness, ECU, so it's a lot of stuff. And if you know Ryan or RS Performance, it's probably the shop to go to in California. It's the Jay-Z shop. That's where you go. One of the fastest, if not the fastest, 240s with the Jay-Z in it, 2J, 1J. It's just the go-to shop. So let's get going. That was pretty fast, pretty quick.
Fucking, it's like smashing 120 miles per hour on the freeway, racing fucking Camrys.
It's a track car.
Fucking track car.
I said make a right.
Proceed to the route.
Oh. Badass little warehouse, man. Sick.
Sick.
So we got the parts, but you see how small this NSX is. I had to take out the radiator from the box to fit it in the trunk. It barely fits, but at least it fits. I was thinking about leaving Edgar here. Should I just leave him and throw the radiator shotgun? Oh, I think it'll be a good idea.
Thank you.
So these are the hoses, HPS hoses, pretty damn good, silicone hoses, really nice. And then I got the aluminum radio over here. What's going on, Turbo? You want to say hi to them? You want to say hi? Now you're acting shy. A little shy now. Aluminum radiator. It's pretty damn nice. I had to take it out the box to fit in the NSX. But I think I'm gonna take that to him this weekend, he said. Get it going. Cross your fingers it comes out fast now. Cause I've been waiting. Continuing this mess. I took off the center console. And that's there. I'm gonna just go ahead and clean it up, wipe it down and everything. Just took everything out to make sure I vacuum it and clean it up the best I can. And prep it for when the carpet goes in. I sprayed some sort of rust preventative on this panel. When that gets welded, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing. And yeah, gotta keep going. So I cleaned up a lot of it up. Vacuumed this up again. A homie of mine said he could weld it for me probably Monday. Next few days, not too bad, but cleaned it up. Should be ready for him to weld. All this centerpiece, I'm gonna wipe it down, trying to grease it and all that and clean it up. On this side, I did that rust preventative thing on this one. I'm pretty much gonna leave it like this. Right here, I'm not gonna do anything. I'm not gonna touch it. It's all solid, so I don't feel like I should touch it. But yeah, it's coming along. Got this part out. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up, degrease it, and probably throw it back in for now. Man, what is this? Like 50 something years old. Crusty. Probably got a new shift boot while I'm at it. Much better. Much better. I'm gonna try and take off this ashtray and see what I can do with it. The cover's all cleaned up pretty good. Hopefully I can take off this little lid and just clean up the ashtray. If not, I'm gonna just go ahead and probably spray it black if I can. That was pretty easy. I'm gonna just clean this up a little better. I'm gonna probably lube up the edges so I can slide back and forth pretty smooth, and I'm gonna probably spray this black. So I managed to take off the ashtray by itself. I think I'm gonna just spray it silver. Cleaned it up. It cleaned up pretty damn nice. Ignore the shift loop. I'm gonna replace that, but yeah, coming along pretty well. So that's that. It's back together, pretty clean. Really happy how it came out. I mean, it's not gonna get better than this. If you zoom in, it's a little faded and stuff, but what do you expect? But clean them good. So now what I'm gonna try and do is put this lip on and call it a day. I do feel like it hits on these edges, so I'm gonna just trim it a little bit more this way and this way, like a little slot. Do that to both sides and try and get it on there, because I'm getting tired of just seeing it off the car. So this is how I have it right now. I have a clamp on this side and jug of coolant on this side. So what I think I'm gonna do is just to hold it up and help me out, because I'm by myself right now. Just gonna self-tap a corner and then go from there little by little. And then at the end, to make sure it's on correct and strong, I'm gonna just go ahead and drill out from here to here, these holes. Drill out and bolt that up. So this side is on. Lined up pretty well. This is where I trimmed it earlier. I'm probably gonna put another one through here. Line it up a little bit better right here, but I'll do that after I do this side. I'll just go ahead and do the same thing over here. Woo! That was a little harder than it looks, but she's on. Pretty damn straight. Let me see, let me get the light for you guys real quick. So there it is. I do think, I don't know if you guys could see this, but I see the lip at a little angle. So I think I'm gonna have to trim this piece. I feel like this is restricting it from going straight. So I'm gonna probably trim that down, grind it down. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put the bolts on another day. It's already kind of late, so I don't want to do it today. But the lines are pretty good. Pretty darn good. I'm happy with how it came out for doing it with one person. Mr. Box couldn't be here, but it's all good. These lines are pretty good, not bad. But yeah, this is where I'm at in the vlog. Go ahead and comment. The inside is nice and clean, ready to get welded. Center console's done, clean. But go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe. I'll go ahead and see you guys in the next one. I just went ahead and put those bolts. So this is the proper hardware. And now I'm gonna end the vlog.